Alright, we just come out of City Plumbing. We got it, we got it. Right, so there it is. There's a store to show. Seeing this how much it cost. £61.20 from City Plumbing. It was actually cheaper than Amazon, you know, because Amazon was, I think it was £65. And I've done a Google search, and City Plumbing came out the cheapest. I first went to the store in Streatham, but Streatham said they didn't have any. So they said the store in Beckenham had 2 in stock. So I took a trip down there. And the reason why I bought this one, because of the power bank as well. Function. See, that's quite a good look. On the highest setting, 4.5 hours runtime, that is good. That is pretty good. Alright, let's get this thing open. Yeah, make use of those old shaving blades, don't throw them away. You can use them to open up boxes. It's all about recycling. Recycle. Make use of what you have. Oh, sorry about that, got a bit of gas. Yeah, I'm quite excited with this one. This is probably the most expensive torch I've bought yet. So there it is. That was a sticker. There's the instruction booklet. So it comes as USB-C, comes with a USB-C cable there. Yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. And that's quite a big battery there. 10,400 milliampere hours. That's where you charge it. That's where you charge your phone or whatever you want to charge. You charge it there through the micro USB. It's a waterproof plug. It's got some magnets here. Oh, that's on a spring there. See that? There's the camera tripod mount. And that must be the switch. So I clicked it once. Second click will click it off. So I'm guessing you gotta click it fast. Oh, I think it might, yeah, so if you click it fast, it comes on red. Okay. Click it once, it's on red, click it again, turns off. Oh no, actually no. Better read the instructions, I think. So that's the brightest setting. Second. That's the brightest second. Second. Third. Fourth. That's it. Alright, so I've been using this torch now, flashlight, for a couple of months now. And I must say I'm really happy with it. Out of all my torches, this is my favourite one. This is my favourite one, most versatile, useful one. And I must say this is probably my favourite, this is probably the best gadget I've bought this year. This is the best gadget I've bought this year. It's just it's so useful, you know, with those magnets there. And the hook as well, you can put on anything. And it's quite strong as well. I dropped it quite a few times. And even on, and plus the battery life is very good as well. This torch lasts ages. And the thing is, you don't have to have it on the highest setting. Now, let me turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even with that setting, yeah, even that is bright enough. Even that, when I'm using this at work, even that will light up like the whole area on the lowest setting. And if you keeping it on that setting, it lasts a long time, it lasts ages. And plus with the power bank function as well, you know, this torch is very handy. I always keep it in my bag. I use it at work. I use it outside of work as well. I tell you the only downside to it, I tell you the only one thing downside to it, the only thing that went wrong was, I don't know if it's because I dropped it or the magnet's pulled out. I don't know what it is, but I've dropped it quite a few times and the magnets actually came out. These are the original magnets, and these were the magnets I bought off eBay that I replaced them with. Because the actual dimensions of the magnets is 20mm by 5mm by 5mm. And the issue is, when I tapped it on the eBay, the only place that had these magnets was eBay in the States, the eBay in America. So if I ordered them from eBay from America, they were charging me something like, it said £15 for shipping, and if I ain't paying that for a couple of magnets, that only cost about £2. So I was thinking to myself, what am I gonna do? Because I'm not paying £15 for a couple of magnets, for 2 magnets, and the only place that's got the size is America. So I was thinking and one day I come up with an idea one day. So what I did instead was I bought these magnets. They're 5mm by 5mm by 5mm. So I just bought a couple of those and stuck them in with some Aerodite, and that should not come out. Let me show you the magnets that let me show you. Here they are. Because these type of magnets, they call them neodymium magnets. Let me try and separate one of them and I'll show you. I'll show you the size of them. Let me stop the camera. Alright, so I got one of the magnets off. Separated one of them. 5mm. So if you buy this torch and you lose the magnets like myself, that's what you want to do. You want to buy a few of them and just glue them back in using some Aerodite. And that's the Aerodite that I had laying around, that's what I used. Use any kind of Aerodite would do, I guess. And those are not going to come out now. So Unilite, if you're watching this Unilite, the glue that you're using in your production to stick these magnets down, you know, it's not really strong enough. Or maybe you're not putting enough glue in there. Because when those did come out, I didn't really see much residue of glue in there. But other than that, man, I really like this torch. Other than that, man, this is one of my favourite useful gadgets this year. It's well worth the money. But yeah, just try and get the magnet situation sorted out, Unilite. And yeah, it's strong as well, apart from the magnets coming out. The amount of times I've dropped it and you know, it's still going strong, still working. Yeah, a couple of people at work have seen it and they said to me, oh, can I borrow your torch? Can I use a torch? And I told them, no, you're not using my torch, go and get your own torch. You know, no one ain't getting this. That's just staying in my pocket. That's nothing as well, even though it's kind of bulky, it will still fit in your pocket because it's sort of flat, if you know what I mean. It will still fit in the trouser pocket or overall pocket. Even like I've been on days out and I've taken it with me to keep my phone charged because of that power bank function there. But yeah, it's well worth the money, well worth it.